I don't know if it's just me or some of the Gen 1 remake music, or if it's just me. I don't know. Anyway, hi guys, it's Sapphire Mouse here, and welcome back to another episode of Pokemon LeafGreen. Last time, we actually did a few things, and one of them was catching our new team member, Magneton, and also getting to the Pokemon Power Plant too, so in this episode, we are actually gonna have all repel wear off. No, I don't need it to wear off. Anyway, so in this episode, we are actually gonna be grabbing a TM17 Protect. And so, and an Elixir. Anyway, so in this episode, we're actually gonna be catching another Pokemon. No, not for my team. I would like to catch a Pokemon that actually resides here in the Pokemon Power Plant in this episode, since because that way I can at least be able to catch it. What's going on here? And we get a Thunderstone, so if you guys are using a Pikachu, or if you guys are gonna be using a Eevee, you can always use that Thunderstone to get a Jolting on. And I guess if you guys are picking up any of the Pokeballs, there was a chance that there might be a chance that it will be an Electrode. So be aware of that. Anyway, after getting into a random encounter, that would have been interesting if that was a shiny. Magnet Pull! Just my luck. Four times for me to get supersonicked. I'm gonna be back. Okay, I guess after... Alrighty, I guess after saving the game, time to... Bird Hunt! Anyway, first out of all three legendaries, this is gonna be the first one to be able to catch is ZapDOS, the Electrifying type. It's one of the, It's one of the three legendary birds that was introduced in Gen 1. So, as you can tell, it's pretty doggone fast before I use Thunder Wave, so if you have a Pokemon like I do that knows a move to get it paralyzed or something, I will at least use it. If it's not going to be using Detect all the time. Anyway, ZapDOS is... Well, I'll say that, like, with all legendaries, it's gonna be pretty daggone hard to catch. As you can tell. Because apparently, it doesn't want to be caught whatsoever. Stop using agility! We don't need you to use it all the time. One, two, three. Ugh! God, and that will happen so many times too, where whenever you're catching a legendary, there will be times where it'll get to 3 shakes and then it pops out. God. I was hoping that that's going to be an easy thing to do, but, well, I'll just say that I thought I was going to catch on that third shake, but I guess not. Of course, during my normal playthroughs, it's normally hard to catch, but anyway, go through here and you can get to the exit of the power plant. Anyway, what I was saying was that, of course, whenever during a normal playthrough of any of the Pokemon games I play, it tends to be quite hard, but whenever one does a Let's Play of a game like this, it tends to be quite easy to catch. Anyway, I guess after that, I'm gonna head back to Fuchsia and talk to this guy. Yuka gave the gold teeth to the warden. Thank you, Lassie. You're a real lifesaver. No one could understand a word I said, not a one. I was too ashamed to show my face around the office, even. Let me give you something for your trouble. And with that, we get TMO4. HMO4, strength. Now, it is a requirement to get those, golden teeth to... that way you can at least give them through the warden. Because if you don't, then you're not going to be able to get through the game, because it is required to have strength, which I'm going to teach Venusaur it. Anyway, let's see. And with that, I guess we can test it on this. And with that, we get a rare candy, which I do recommend grabbing, because you never know if you're going to need it. Anyway, since that took a lot less shorter than I thought, I guess what we can do is go to Saffron City and heal our Pokemon. I guess after healing up the team, let's go into this house if I haven't visited it yet. Oh, I guess I haven't. You wanted this. And with that we get TM29 Psychic. You already know, don't you? TM29 Psychic is an attack that may also load the target's special stats. You mean special defense? But yeah, if you use it, like... Alrighty, I guess after grabbing, TM29 Psychic from the Psychic guy, time to battle the gym, but... However, if we try to, don't get the fight, I have to hit you, so yeah, in order to be able to get a 6 badge, we actually have to recapture the self-company office building from Team Rocket, and this guy was actually standing guard, but if you talk to him, he's taking a snooze. Yep. So, because of that, we're actually able to go into the surf company. So, in order to actually be able to get through it properly, where are they? Find a thing. Oh, I guess there are a few trainers I missed. But if you couldn't tell by some of my team, I actually did manage to battle the majority of the rocket grunts off screen, because I didn't want to be spending like the majority of the video like just battling the rocket grunts throughout the whole video. So I figured I might as well battle the majority of them off screen. And if we can beat this stupid scientist guy, Jerry. This Jerry. Come on, Voltorb, and now you want to die or be defeated. And there we go. Let's see. Aha. So, on each floor, there are going to at least be some portals that you can go on to throughout the building. What do you have to say? I wonder if Sofa's finished. I kind of doubt that. But let's see. And I got back on the second floor. Go me. What does this lead me to? What do you have to say? Oh, you not with Team Market? I'm sorry, I thought. Will you forgive me if I teach you the Thunder Wave technique? If you have a Pokemon that is... I'm surprised Alakazam is able to learn it. So yeah, if you have a electric type Pokemon or any Pokemon in general that's able to learn it, I'd highly recommend doing that. My dog isn't getting in my face. Let's see. Nah. But Thunderwave, it's convenient. I guess it is a bit if you're trying to capture a legendary like I did earlier. Let's see. That just let me just the same that darn thing. So let's see. Better tell the boss on the 11th floor. Let's see. I'm at the same freaking floor from earlier. Let's see. So, if you're gonna tell, in order to... I guess then... hold on. God, if my dog is not getting in my face every second by dropping this toy on the floor... anyway. Oh. God, what is with these... I guess there was something I missed. Oh, wow. Oh, God, for a second I thought I said Machop, but I guess not. But anyway, I guess what I was saying was that in order to get through the place properly is that you have to get is that there's a key, I believe, on the 5th or the 8th floor. I don't remember which one. But, yeah, you have to get that in order to get through the place properly. Otherwise, you won't be able to beat it at all and get your 6th badge. God. Oh, I guess it actually is on the, what? Oh, I guess it is on the 5th floor. I heard there was a kid wandering around. No, I thought there wasn't. Henry! God! That's what happens when you have a dog that's under a year old, and as soon as you buy him a new toy, he ends up ripping it apart into pieces, well, almost into pieces. I guess that's what happens when you get a dog. It comes to show when you get a dog, it'll end up doing stuff like that. Anyway, I guess after doing that, you'll get a card key, which, like I said, is required to be able to get through the whole place if you want to. Well, I'll just say that's required. I'll just say that. So, with that, you're able to not be able to advance, but also get some items too. those thugs that took over our building, the boss said he was looking for strong Pokemon. I hope our president managed to avoid trouble. I kind of full on doubt that, but I guess all said and done. I guess I can explore the place a bit. I'll serve at my butt. Well, I guess that's when it happens when one ends up getting a dog. As I was gonna end up wanting to destroy every toy that you get it. We got a hyper potion. Yay! And what floor is this? The second? Oh no, that was the third. Go me. Let's all explore the place together. Let's see. Okay, that leads to the... Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, that leads to the lady that will be able to teach you Thunder Wave if you want to teach a Pokemon that. Which I might see if... I guess with my last team member I'm going to be getting here, I guess I will see if that Pokemon is able to learn it. If not, I'll see if I want to teach Alakazam it. But, yeah, I guess aside from beating Giovanni, I will always say to grab the items. And not only that, at least, I know it would be tedious to battle, like, all of the trainers here, but if you want, like, to get experience, I always do recommend battling the trainers here. Because, since most fans know that, you can only battle certain people like things like this once, and after that you can't battle them anymore. Let's all explore the Self Company together. And also explore too, because you never know what you're going to be able to get. Oh, what? Henry! Well, I guess that's what happens when one ends up recording right by her dog, is that one's dog will end up throwing his toy went in your face while you're recording, which I was not expecting that at all. Henry. Henry, what are we gonna do with you? Because I just don't know what to do with you anymore, Henry. I just don't know what. Except for you to be a pain in my butt at times. I guess that's what happens when one has a dog. Anyway, we get our Cobos. Let's see. Real candy. And an Ultra Ball. I guess that Ultra Ball can kind of make up for... hold on. What am I gonna do with this dog? Because I just don't know what. Anyway, I guess after exploring for a little bit, I guess it's time to back to the bus. Let's see. I remember correctly. Aha. But actually, hold on. before I do, see. Now, what am I gonna do with this dog? Anyway, if you go on this floor, I don't remember what it was, and talk to this lady, you're able to get your Pokemon healed, which I do recommend doing, because that way you can at least, what floor is it on? Okay, it's on floor 9, so if you wanna, I do recommend talking to her, because that way you can at least, what is it? Because that way you can at least, that way you're not going to the Pokemon Center. Look at you, Miyuki. Haha, I thought you'd turn up if I waited here. I guess the market slowed you down, not that I care. I saw you in that form, so I decided to see if you got better. So you freaking decided to freaking wait for me. Literally right there. Doggy. Oh, come on. Well, anyway, I guess as always, his first Pokemon is Pidgeot with Wing Attack, Feather Dance, Quick Attack, and Whirlwind. And he's sending out Charizard, so... Charizard. Why not? Anyway, if you... As always, the team will depend on, what, story you chose, so... If you chose Bulbasaur, you have Charizard with a Scary Face, Flamethrower, Smokescreen, and Wing Attack. If he's not using Smokescreen. Let's all defeat his Charizard together. Yay! Well, and I guess if you chose Squirtle, you have Venusaur, Sweet Scent, Sleep Powder, Poison Powder, and Razor Leaf. And if you chose Charmander, you have Blastoise with Rapid Spin, Water Gun, Bite, and Protect. Let's see, next Pokemon is Alakazam. Alakazam with Future Sight, Calm Mind, Reflect, and Recover, which, jeez Louise. I knew that Apple didn't have, the best defense, but jeez. Anyway, as always, his team will depend on what story you chose, so if you chose Bulbasaur, you have... Well, if you choose Bulbasaur or Charmander, you have Execute with Confusion, Hypnosis, Leech Seed, and Stun Spore. And I guess another Pokemon I should get out of the way too is if you chose Charmander or Squirtle, he'll have Growlithe with Roar, Flame Wheel, Leer, and Takedown. And what's this last team member? Gyarados. So if you chose Bulbasaur Squirtle, he will have Gyarados with Dragon Rage, Twist Up, Bite, and Leer. And have Intimidate. Let's all use Intimidation together, shall we? Oh god, for a second I thought I didn't defeat it because of... Oh man, you're all ready for boss bracket. Well, Miyuki, I'm moving up and ahead. By checking my Pokedex, I'm starting to see what's strong and how they evolve. Am I a genius or what? I'm going to the Pokemon League to boot out the Elite Four, I'll become the world's most powerful trainer. Miyuki, well, good luck to you. Don't sweat it. Smell ya, and you're not gonna full on bother to freaking help me defeat the team to defeat the Team Rocket boss. So you would rather get your Pokemon, rather level your Pokemon than helping out your rival by defeating Team Rocket. Whatever. Anyway, if we talk to this guy, oh hi, you're not Rocket. You came to save us. Why, thank you. And we have this Pokemon for saving us. Anyway, you get a Lapras from this guy. It's a Lapras. It's a very intelligent Pokemon. We keep it in our lab, but it will be much better off with you. I think you will be a good trainer for Lapras. It's a good swimmer. It'll give you a lift across water. But believe it or not, though, this Lapras is my last team member. So Lapras is a water ice type, and you'll get it at level. No matter what it is, the Lapras will always be at level 25, no matter what. Which, it is our water and ice type, so if you're looking for a water or ice type and don't know who to choose, Lapras is a Pokemon I definitely full on recommend having on your team. Always, no matter, if you're looking for a water or ice type and can't decide on one, or if you're having trouble picking out your last team member, then I always recommend Lapras if you can't decide on who to choose. And since I just got Lapras, I guess I can attempt to have her battle this Cubone. Let's all battle this Cubone together. Wow. That doggy. Time to battle some Pokemon together, shall we? I thought I was gonna freaking defeat it, but I guess Lapras is in the level 25, so I guess she just needs to level up with the rest of the team. Let's all level up Lapras together, shall we? Yay. Let's all have Lapras get poisoned together, shall we? And I guess another thing about Lapras too is that it is actually quite tanky. So it has a buttload of I was about to say energy. But no, it has a buttload of HP, so if you're looking for a Pokemon that is quite tanky or something like that, I do recommend Lapras as always. Anyway, time to use this call key to get to the lab. The person and I are discussing a virtual business proposition. Keep your nose out of grown-up matters or experience a lot of pain. I'd rather experience a word of pain. Anyway, Giovanni starts out with Nidorino with Horn Attack, Poison Sting, Helping Hand, and Fury Attack, so let's all battle his Nidorino together, shall we? see who's season. Okay, so you know what? Even though Lapis is about 20 levels under the rest of the team, I guess I can attempt to use her. Anyway, his next Pokemon's LeafGreen with double kick, tail whip, poison sting, and body slam. That did less than I thought. Oh well, again, Lapis is like 16 levels below than what the team is. I guess I might as well go back to Alakazam. Let's all use Tail Whip together. I don't want to go to the team. I wanted to go to my bag. Wait, Henry. Oh, he's so funny. Anyway, let's all use Psychic together, shall we? Anyway, there goes his LeafGreen and Lapras grew a level, yay, and his Henry doesn't get out of my face. Anyways, his next Pokemon is Kangaskhan with Fake Out, Rage, Mega Punch, and Tail Whip. So if you have a fighting type, this thing should be able to barely survive Razor Leaf. Anyway, and his last Pokemon is Brighthorn with Fury Attack, Scary Face, Stomp, and Rock Blast. Let's all battle Giovanni together. I'm curious to see if she's... I guess she's actually faster, despite being 11 levels under and defeating in one hit. Well, I guess it does have a 4 times weakness. Oh, I got lost again. What you did, sir. Last at all, you were in our plans for self. But Team Rocket would never fall. Miyuki, never forget that all Pokemon exist for Team Rocket. I must go, but I shall return. I kind of doubt that, but let's see. And if we talk to President Man here... Oh, dear girl, thank you for saving yourself. I will never forget you saved us in our most moment of peril. I have to thank you in some way, because I am rich. I can give you anything. Here, maybe this would do. And you get the Master Ball from him. You can't buy that anywhere. It's a sacred prototype Master Ball. It will catch any Pokemon without fail. You should be quiet about using it though. I don't know how to talk. Anyway, I guess after getting through all the self and whatnot and catching our Biode and whatnot and getting self under control, I guess I'm gonna end this here for now. So next time on Pokemon LeafGreen, we should at least be able to hopefully finally get our 6th badge from Sabrina, the master of Psychic Pokemon. So next time we're gonna be battling with Sabrina and hopefully go from there. So see you guys then.